It's a pleasure to have you here. This Yamaha URX44V is a brilliantly designed audio-video interface perfect for creators and musicians seeking professional-grade performance effortlessly. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this audio-video interface at the best price in the market. Right from the start, the dual USB-C ports provide an incredibly stable connection, letting you stream and record high-quality audio and video without interruptions. With 32-bit, 192 kHz audio support and multi-stream drivers, this interface ensures crystal-clear sound reproduction for everything from music production to podcasting. The 4.3-inch touchscreen paired with 5 control knobs makes navigating settings intuitive and fast, so you can focus on creativity instead of menus. The premium microphone preamps deliver up to 78 dB of gain with plus 48V phantom power, giving your recordings a professional edge, while the built-in DSP processor allows latency-free monitoring that's crucial during live sessions. On the video side, the USB-HDMI interface captures and passes through stunning 4K video, making it a versatile hub for streaming and multimedia projects. Additionally, the microSD card slot is a thoughtful addition for easy backup or direct recording, keeping your workflow seamless. Yamaha also includes an excellent software bundle with Cubase AI, Wavelab Cast, Basic FX Suite, and Steinberg Plus, so you can immediately start producing and editing your content at a professional level. While the URX44V might feel slightly premium in price, the combination of build quality, connectivity options, and software package makes it a worthy investment for serious creators. Its compact, sleek design also fits comfortably into any setup without taking up unnecessary space. If you value high-quality sound, smooth monitoring, and reliable video capture, this interface will elevate your production significantly. Don't miss the chance to bring this powerhouse into your studio today, and make sure to check the link in the description below to secure your Yamaha URX44V now while the offer lasts. Your content deserves this professional upgrade.